So getting straight into the tutorial then, today I'm going to be showing you how to bar lace your Air Jordan 3s. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is take the lace and thread it through the two bottom holes. So just going ahead and threading the lace through, and then take the lace and thread it through the other bottom hole as well. Then, to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, all we're going to go ahead and do is hold the two tips together, just like that, and pull up. And as you can see, the laces are the same length on either side, so we're ready to go ahead and start lacing the shoes all the way up. So the next thing we're going to do is take this lace, so the inside lace, and we're going to skip a hole and thread it through the third hole up on the same side of the shoe. Just like that. And then we're going to take this lace and thread it through the third hole up on the other side of the shoe. So inside going to the outside. Just like that. Then we're going to take this lace and we're going to thread it through the second hole up on the same side of the shoe. So the outside lace, threading it through the second hole up on the same side of the shoe. Then we're going to take this lace and we're going to thread it through the second hole up on the other side of the shoe. So outside going to the inside. Making sure that the lace is flat and neat. So the next thing we're going to do is take this lace and we're going to skip a hole and thread it through. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th hole up on the same side of the shoe. Just like that. And then we're going to take the lace and thread it through the 5th hole up on the other side of the shoe. So skip a hole and thread it through. Then we're going to take this lace and we're going to thread it through the next available hole on the same side of the shoe. So the 4th hole up. Just like that. Then we're going to thread it through the 4th hole up, so just the next available hole on the other side of the shoe. Once again, making sure that the lace is flat. So as you can see, you've pretty much got the bar look now. So what you can do is you can just do a normal bunny ear knot that looks like this. However, because the laces are so long, it kind of looks a little bit funny. So I think it looks a little bit better to hide the laces. So, little trick to hide the laces. All you're going to want to do is take the lace and thread it through the top hole. And then take this lace and also thread it through the top hole. Then you're going to want to take the lace and thread it through this hole right here. So you're basically just threading it back through. As always, make sure that the lace is flat. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the shoe. So just thread it back through this hole. And then all we're going to do is a factory knot. So just take the laces, take your 2 fingers and your thumb, wrap the laces around your 2 fingers, and then tuck the lace up through the hole, and then just tuck the lace behind the tongue out of the way. And as you can see, the laces are completely hidden, and in my opinion, I think it looks pretty fresh like this. So that was how to bar lace your Air Jordan 3s. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like on feet.